Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan hima.
Kau belah kau wei, boleh kan kisah mana?
Sebab kena mentang yang up your magistrate, your DSP jongi, but unwan who will come from your side additional. Tom, nang tina po.
Hadin kejin Pak Tuklar jong UMDC kamau hati ubat Charles Marngar hau Menteri Rangba kajela halor kejingbu ya ke CRP kam ha laper nakaleng kejela asam hadin bakala wengno ya ke nekakam kalabu pli daki pulet ha kesnong laper bat boru kawai ke kerdop bantalasi ya ki kali kibalek bawan na kene kesurak.
In border area, it is not kind of such type of politics or social activists should be enter here. Not kind of social activists should be enter here. It is only for security purpose. In border area, it should not be allowed. Here, no need of campaigning all these things. No need of campaigning. Unfortunately, it happens.
One of the
so
members in the committee.
It is actually for us. Actually for us.
I'm one of the member of the boundary committee.
It is for us. It is not.
I know better
here
than you.
No.
Because I am in the boundary committee.
According to us,
So
according to us, it is
just
our.
keep quiet. Let your additional.
Here, no need to do such type of politician.
No.
Even we can talk about security purpose, security
Yes.
level. We can talk about. I have no right to talk with you. And also here, no need to discuss about all these things. Politics. It is not the right time to do politics.
This is my responsibility.
It's
This
not
is
a responsibility.
My people.
It does not.
My
It is not
people.
responsibility.
All
It is
my
not
people.
responsibility.
This is all my
You just you will create
No.
such type of panic problem here. It is not irresponsible, huh? Politics coming here, it is completely. It is not a good thing. Yeah, you are politician and you are
I am
entering
a
here.
politician.
It is.
But you also.
You are not my politician.
No.
You are no right to stay here. If I can talk
You
with
are from
SP or DSP or
You are not my
OCIC.
people. This is my people.
How you can say that you are people?
This is all my people.
This is completely who will
All my people. All my people.
You never
No,
used to.
all my people.
You just please come.
Don't say like that. No.
You just
I'll stand
please
here
come.
because I'm waiting
It is-
for
it
my
is not.
magistrate.
Yet
and all.
no
I'm
question.
waiting.
Yet politics no sole. Yet border area.
Kajingjia ka bas ngausi kala jia hanin kamit hakaba ki pulit ke jala asam kila talasi ya kawai ka kali ka badai ke jom ki samla khasi na kesnong laper ki pulit kila syoru ya kini ki kena samla na kajing syok ki pulit ya kini ki samla ki pajba nong song snong jong kesnong laper umat bat kesnong pedeng telet kila mi pajba bat pen prano ya kini ka kerdob bebu ka asam bat ke lelejru syaka jaka basa ke pulit asam bandawa bagi dai ben mi sisndon na kasnong laper nakaliang UMDC jong ka mahudi ubat Charles hadin ba loyo jingtip habai dai bat kini ke jingjia hakapor price tang menstep bran ulalek hi dalade bat ulalap ya jing sisa baro nakaliang ke jongu ula pentip ya kini ke jingjia marmar sya deputy commissioner karib hoy bat nakaliang jong deputy commissioner ru ila simkhia ila pha ya ki pulit sya kani ka jaka bat hadin katu kani por jong ka jingwan DSP bat u in charge kamaulas night outpost lawan poi sa USP DSP ADM bat border magistrate bat kumjuru USP jong ka Hamren West Karbi Anglong
So, jai ye thu yang ah. Kani ka git ka ye le oh ni. Krong pisau dah kali.
Sakit kita mah kerung pisau pisau.
Pakai jai. So, kano kali ba krong pisau.
Ki kali luar yang menghibur mata lalai lawiwa.
Kali cunga.
Kalau baje menenmit. Dah. Angkat.
Tadi kali ibuan ai. Saya cuma saya. Saya ingin desa. Maka wega di plain orang bihan kaya. Plain lakap dan lakap dengan lain. Taruh berkebun dia lalu secerong loh. Saya berpendon lah, dengan lahiat ni nonton kau kali. Apa dah semua ni. Tapi hiar lang yang kita. Termasuk hiar ni mut keran.
Dagai shot ping.
Yang ngati khot syarut.
Ki shot dagai.
Tengah dang mut ba.
Ki shot dagai.
Shot dang sedang di chu
Thap.
thap. Hadin pat bom data slide. Kemudian isin asin otra dan dalam rusen sansin ada.
To ya piban.
Ngapa ko thap ni tengah la sedang kulon longkom tu. Bom pada uding ni ngasak tu ngat ni kanila. Ni la tu ni.
Kebalai ki bom nak daw yu giang.
Ngam tu ra kadam tun daw ra. Yesuan kumne sasa kumne. Ngasong po kali. Tuong mi tengah ngami tengah bukat syarut. Tengah mut man kuyakran ma tengah le tak ada tahu bom. Tengah mut man ong ma balik bom sar ni. Tang ban kren yo bom yang data slide. Bom ban ba. Tu dong nyit kumne be. Haduk hapo don kali untuk bom tu. Musim kumne. Ang tak mut bom kumne. Bak bom don bok ba yo iu ni. Musim don ti lai tu thap dia ni ba. Ta dah gading lu dang bom. Dia hang tamat. Uang bat sara kot kali ba. Kali kot kali don kot kali yang itu. Ni pen i kot kali. Pen i lesson ni pen i. Pen i pik ni pen i. Tu uang i tu kepala jom ni tengah pen i. Dong yo i ka pisat uang. Dia mi yo pisat dong ni ong sim pisat sing. Dong me try me tu masih try. Dong em ni di sim sa basic sim ta dolang. Sat ai ba sini. Itu pun yang ini lapang lagi kalau sini sisa di nang sedang deban peni deban kali kan no kot kali
Am dah kali ka ai mde ga man drunk ti. Kum kepulit pa kila man check mo. Nay ba drunk ti ba
ngina ngaladap kapunat lalap
kali tamaro ba kali da day duty tamangi jong ipulit no pulit kali hi sano pilai sano piwa. Day ban shot. Tumle le to.
Hadin kejinga keren habreng ki arngut ki SP nagaliang USP ka hamren ula pediang manwengno ye kipulit na kani kejaga bat banwengno ya kekerdop kebalabu ha kani kesnong kebala de penpra da ki pajba nong song snong. Nakaleng ubat Charles kumu nong mi kmat jong kani katany olai kublai kerpang ye ki pajba naga benda kejing ya teli bat kejing sulur ke jongki bat olai kublai kerpang ro ya katanat pulit Riboy district hapo kejing alam USP uba N lamare kumjuru ya DSP ADM bat border magistrate kibala sim kia ban pej ya kani kakam ha kani kasngi lakhot lang ru ya upulit ubala syo ya kini kisamla banda kejing ya keren lang boro arliang upulit ulapan map bat kisamla kasi ru kilaya map no habai dei berkejing jia kabalajia hanin kamet nakaliang ketenat pulit jong kejala asam kila siuru ya kabailut kesan baro habai dei bat kani kejing jia
Masih jing tip ngalaon mare amta nomor belai dang hakini kisngi ngadang wansak limit sini ki pai ba phim tip ra badu tip bat kibun ki rong ba snong ki tip how mat ngawan ba snong no ba snong mat ite ada wan kendo ye piro ni ngala penbiang lut nadong sedong ikut islah by day ba ka border asamit limit sini we be only pulit yang ada sengir hong ni tabang akhlam penbanai yang wan madang sengi dalam musim gejing sofia bangatip ba beriu jongi syasyo dia mana irma itu bangin yale da ka senam nginom pois nasno kade baile nga ngawan carcar boro skata namar bakwa nga banbu api banbu bapi pinim sukta kade kaya bade wa CRP hani ngalawan kendo chief minister chief hitranya chief bat CRP la ligi dia mana irma do dia menta marsun ligi tu mi segawai gijing baca dati iburu jong to digini gijing ja gi baja komni gijing le don bor jongka kulit asam hagajing sisa hagajing yakran bora art ligi chief minister megalaya bat asam kalong ba namar barang don gajing yak baik put baik sam Ay babro atli ngini imsuk. Tingray ka jingkali mentagalong balay asam uli. Dengan kuah apa dong ipi kuni mentang. Long jai kisawan gitu di DSP jongi ki magistrate jongi kita non halenti. Tingin ya keren bat Indonesia bat long jai sya mentang. Long jai ngini ya keren daga tin namar ba ladang yele daga bor daga jingi umsnam nginom pois nasional. Nginom pois nasional. Kikum ki parado ki parasnam habasyadat sasyo udo usnami hisau dai mandai rumah. Ngau hisau ah. Hisau nomor ile nang ruban suy keren daga tin. Ile onco ondat ugi burui. Dara cok dadat bi ki pulit jong kami galia ki buru ka sam kumna sengogi. Ti dan mar kata mentang idon lang ini keren lang buat ini in charge. So what happened last night?
Last night actually I was in Lulukunchi. So just 2 hours ago I came here. I heard that here already. Actually these days within the week 3 case rates are continually thief 379. Continue stolen cows and all regularly. So I discussed about SP and all. So sir told that for that even their stadium is there, no? Right from in front of the stadium, they are also already CRP deployed there.
Yeah.
CRP stayed there at that night. And then at the daytime also, at the back of that stadium, no, one cars they are already cut at that ear and then neck and they continue.
Who cut?
Yeah.
Who cut?
Don't know. Even unknown person do it. Again at that night only, same night, again stolen from that, just front of that stadium. Stolen and then we got skid mark there, right there. So I discussed about our SP sir and all and told about that what we have to do. Continue. Even I talk about Molosena and IC and all. They also told that yeah, continually means it's just stalling about cow and all. So I told them okay, it's better to give here check post. And even after giving check post, even I take whole day and I brief them and given already registered and told them you just note down even who
bid last night?
Who bid last night? That one is not here right now. Not here. He is not present here.
Why you bid?
Yeah, I will explain. Yeah.
Okay, please explain. No,
Before standing.
let's come to the point. Let's come to the point.
Actually, as per no, while they are on duty, one person, I heard that one person is there. After he drank, he stayed there, and then he told that you just go away from here. It is difficult to do duty in front of sentry post. He is staying there, so that in front of sentry post, it is not right to stay there. So after that, he told that at that time only that person told that no, I will not go. This one, why? Who get permission to build all these things and all? Then he told that you just please go. Now it is not the right time to talk. After that, he told that yeah, you can go, you can leave now. Then he counterly do something else. He forcefully or push, and then at that time only he also pushed him back.
Just one question.
Yeah.
From where you got the direction to set up this gate here?
Actually, see, this is the. I don't know about things, but then SP sir, as far from that, we are not any other intention. Just to first of all, even I don't take any permission from others.
What time you bid him yesterday?
At around I think 9 or 10 like that. 9 or 10.
This is
Actually, I have not beaten. I am not beaten. Yeah. I am the in charge of Olugunja. I right there at the time. Yesterday I was not here.
Because I'm asking you because you are in charge. So I'm asking you. You see, this is not the way.
Yeah.
Okay. This is purely disputed. This is purely disputed. Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam last few weeks discussed regarding this area. Okay, one more thing. You see, you should not make this gate also here because this is not Assam. This is not Meghalaya. This is disputed area. Development also we can bring from both sides. You know better. But why you make this gate here? Why you make this gate?
See, actually we are making this gate not for harassment of public. First of all, we have to see everything. What kind of situation is going on?
You have seen any gate from Meghalaya?
Here it is not.
You have seen?
Here it is not written that any.
There's no gate from Meghalaya. Why? Because we have to maintain peace.
Yes. Yeah, to maintain peace only. We are not for any other intention. This is building. It is not for other intention. As per formalities, as per taking all permissions, I have did it. But even though we are not written any written scripts, nothing is there.
But from now on, what we have to do?
Even one more time, our additional service coming, and then
We'll talk to him. My DSP also from Megle is coming.
they will discuss.
We'll discuss it
Yeah.
nicely regarding this. But it should not happen in the future.
Yeah. That's what also
Because now, as per the discussion of two chief ministers, Meghale and Assam, we have to maintain status quo.
Yeah.
But why this happened?
Yeah, to maintain peace and
Because-
tranquility,
no,
we build this.
This is
Actually,
not-
main way. We are not for harassing people. We have to just to nab the culprit. Those
This
who are
gate
stealing
cannot
all that.
maintain
Why not?
peace.
Border area,
No,
the border dispute area, there may
This
such
is
type
not
of
the
incidents
way.
may occur.
This is not
It
the
doesn't
way.
mean that.
This is not the way. So we'll discuss.
Yeah, we'll discuss.
If they don't have the power to decide, then you just wait for him. If you don't have power to decide, let us wait for your
even
additional
you or myself also cannot discuss about the matter. Cannot.
Why not?
Because it
public
is the
representative. I cannot.
Even
I cannot-
CM,
I
they will
cannot-
talk. The CM talk, they will discuss the matter. They will
Discuss.
settle the matter. Here you cannot do it.
No.
On border
This is my
border
constituency.
government.
My people in constituency should live in peace. But
Yeah,
the way you make
everyone
this
like
video,
that.
this
Everyone
is very wrong.
Everyone like that. Everyone wants peace and tranquil. We are for security purpose for what?
We'll do like this.
For just to
Sampai
maintain
ba
peace and
berfashion ni,
tranquility.
uni wong ikwa aban pentip IP kumne, hadin ke jeng ikren, ba nakaliang jong SP jong ke Assam ro, ula kongo ban weng no ya kaniga gate bar banombo polis yo hang ni. Beto, kang kawai pa deng kerpat IP, ipai ba nong snong ba i, kila itip ba kadang don hafreng jong ke jeng ikren baik put baik sambro arteli, ban Meghalaya ban Assam. Kinamar kata nakaliang jong piru pidehi ban em ban yai don akor don buram menmit menyong ro kirpat ikna samla menmit menyong pimde ban yai ban ikiat so naman ngidang pun put be samanta temdei ban yelek kelumar menmit menyong like stang ladon emergency bapang besitom so gimdei ban yelek kelumar te pilek nok siyeng song suk siyeng te nakaliang jong ang ai kuble yupi baro ba pidong beslor ban yawan lang keding sengi te jingi teli galong ka bor dengan ai kuble session pat Polis jongi, ada USP badan buram jongi, magistrate jongi, border magistrate, nang tai ADC jongi, bat kumjuk nak kaliang Assam, DSP jongi, bat pawa pada in charge jongi malos naik outpost, yang ai kublai ki baro ki bala shimkia, banwan banyarap nak mentajung pi, tinggal ai kublai, yang pi baro ipai bat nang susnong, dia lek sok no saying, buat mi penmi jeng kelumar so. Kular em kumta? To, lek no saying, nak kaliang jong Police Department jongi kila sutu ke ai badai banle. Tapi elok sok no sing tanggung tak boleh syukur.
Dalam kuat bani tu api, langgan poi kecing ya huri rahado kan ni dari bah sok kulit menemir ya armut kilo sunsun bijongi. Dari nak kata kadau bersapu hadu kan ni wat bu ya kan ni kegiro nak yang tengah aku buat senung ngam sem ai permission ya ki ngam tip ya kini ki kumbu cengki sak kini kulit ni. Kabur bersingkir dan saya nak kabur tentang ini. DC magistrate jongi mulai pendek magistrate jangka Meghalaya buat ke Karbi Anglong wilayah Rai bah kim nombok su ya kini ki pulit hangne ilhap no banmi no.
Ngadon hang ni ak senong umloper. Demane mestep ak por kumba praba JA layo jengtip ba kadon gejing ya kelumar hang ni. Kadau jong gejing ya kelumar hang ni kedai gejing don gini ke polis hang ni. I hagi tu gisngi gini ke CRP kilami no nang ni adin gejing ya keren baro arngut ki SP jong gari bohoy bat ke Hamran plus ru nakaliang jong ka sarkar jala jong iru kala simkhiai adin gejing ya kendo bat chief minister ini ke CRPF kilami no te haga bai dei bat kani ka jingjam daga sengi kali jano ba menemen met nakaliang jong ki pulit ki ba syong hang ni kisyo ya wei ukna kasi jong kidon arngot kali bad wei padeu de bala sa syok ko wei pat ko kidon hado laingot ikani ke jing syok ke jong ki kala penmi ke jing kelumar bad menemen step dang step prawaje ngalayo ke jing tip bad ngawan hang ni menta bad ngalapoi na do mene ke por step si post deng tu bad haga jing poi jong ah ni ngai ibo pai ba nong song snong jong ni kilai tili snong ka pedeng telej ka umat bat ka laper kilai adon hang ni kilai pen prai kini ka gate ka basna dau pulit jong ka Asam bat kilai atur hang ni kini ka yeng ka IB ka badon kini ki pulit jong ka Asam tena kaliang ka jonga nga penram jor ye ka jingle jong kini ka pulit Asam bat kini ka jingle ka long illegal namar kat kum ka jingle kran baro armut ki SP jong ka ribai bak hamran kalong baya ka patrolling hi both side ngimla ban khang kami kalia jongi kala ban wan yai patrolling ka Asam kala ban yai patrolling namar ka disputed tehen rai ke jingle jong ka Asam hang ni pada ban bu igni polis hang ni kalong illegal tinggi sngop kemen ba mentang hadin ke jingwan ke jongi hang ni na kaliang SP jongi lapoi hang ni SP jong ri boy DSP bari in charge hang ni lapoi border magistrate jongi lapoi nang tade ADC jongi lapoi hang ni tinggi sngop kemen ba na kaliang jong ka police department na kaliang ka district administration jongi kila sim ye kani ka kam ke bakirki banwan sane dala dehi bat hadin ke jingwan ke jongki kilai penbai kilai keren hapadeng USP jongi bat USP jong ka Hamran Asam bat kilai penbai bade banweng no sindan ni ke gate banadu menta ke singi kani ke gate kam dan shu hang ni bat ye kini ki pulit ki basong hang ni ro kila de ban withdraw no bakin pha no bat menta kilai song ki beding ki jongki ban lek phai no te ya menta hi kalong tangkat ta te ke jingi keren hang ni kalong ke jingkir pat na kaliang jonga sai silpat ke sarkar jela ke jongi kumju ru na kerpat ke sarkar Asam ba kumbang ila ekren banora ke song sok song san hang ni kat badang ya ke jing pendek